Hi guys! I'm so excited as today I am going to be reviewing the Claire's Surprise birthday boxes. There are 6 boxes in total, 4 large boxes and 2 mini ones. The large boxes are Surprise Birthday Box 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are also 2 mini boxes, Claire's Surprise Mini Box 1 and 2. These boxes arrived yesterday and I'm super happy to open them as they look so good and I know there will be some cute makeup kits inside. These surprise birthday boxes would make a great gift for girls as they come in great packaging. I love the presentation of this. I love the box, which is covered in unicorns, sweets and stars. The big ones cost £30 and the mini ones cost £14. In this video I will be opening big box number 1 and I'll do separate videos for the other boxes. Let's unwrap the ribbons and find out what's inside. This looks so cute, the colour. Okay, I'm so excited to open it. I've never opened one of these before and it's going to be really exciting. Oh my gosh, pink, my favourite colour. Wow. Oh my gosh, there's loads of surprises. Okay, so let's take out this. Oh, it smells so nice. Okay, so we have this really cute multicoloured bunny and it has some pink balls here. The bunny is so cute and it's in a cone, I think, an ice cream cone. It looks so cute. Here's the back. I'm guessing this is what it looks like. So let's open it. Oh, we have some tape. Okay. Oh, we have a mirror. So we have a heart-shaped mirror. We have 2. Oh, this is a lip gloss kit. So we have 2 lip gloss brushes. And we have 5 shaped stars. And they have some glittery lip gloss inside. They're really nice. The red one is my favourite. We also have 4 heart-shaped lip glosses as well. And the blue one is my favourite. There. So let's undo the tape. It's going to take a long time. Nearly done. There we go. It was quite hard to take off. And let's get a brush out. Oh, the smell is so good. It smells like sugar. Okay, so let's do the red. Wow. Let's also do a purple. Looks really nice. So this is the first kit I opened. I think it's very cute And this would be really nice for a birthday present. Whoa. Next we have, I think this is meant to be a cell phone. And there's loads of purple and pink sequins. And there's loads of cute characters. And look, it has this one. Again, so cute. And when we turn it round, there is, I think this is more lip gloss. So maybe this birthday box 1 is a lip gloss set. So let's try and undo this. It says Claire's Makeup Kit in holographic writing. We also have a rectangular mirror at the top. And, oh wait, do you open this? I can't get to the, oh here. You open it at the bottom. And it also looks like a charger where you charge your phone. So you open it from here. There we go. So it splits in half. We have one lip gloss brush. Really cute and mini. Okay, wow. That pink looks amazing. Wow, super nice. You can also mix these colours, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do a pink glittery one with a darker pink corally here. Wow. The texture kind of feels like Vaseline. Okay. So here is the second makeup kit. Very cute. I love that. So cute. Okay, and yep, the last thing here. Oh my gosh, this looks like a pencil case. So I think we have a theme going on here. These are so cute carrying together. We also have the bunny here again. The bunny is my favourite. We have a unicorn and a panda. They're all so cute. So this is the bag. It tells you the ingredients. So you unzip it from the middle. Oh wow. Okay, so we have a mirror here. We have a lip gloss brush. So I was right. The Claire's Surprise Birthday Box number 1 is a lip gloss set. So, yep. We also have another mini palette in a palette. So this has 6 different shades. I think the top ones are glittery and the bottom ones are a matte colour. I don't know if you can see it. Looks so nice. And then we put it back on. And then on this side we have, oh, we have mascara. Oh, we have a blue glittery mascara. That's so cool. So I think this set has more facilities for makeup because it has a mascara. Oh, I love when it comes in and out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Has the makeup brush, the mascara brush, and here is the greeny blue. It kind of reminds me as a mermaid. It's so cool. Okay, yes. Wow. And it's glittery as well. Wow, this looks cool. This is lip gloss. It kind of matches my nail polish. And it is a Ready Hot Pink lip gloss. Let's try it on. So it's very easy to come out, and it's more like a liquid lip gloss. Oh wow, this is much more thick. Wow, that is so nice. This is definitely my favourite. It is very shimmery and it's very pigmented. I love this one. And also, if you think this is a too bright colour, you can also match it with this one. So you can add them together, and also the holographic writing goes really well, I think, with the white lip gloss. So let's try it. Whoa. This is my favourite palette. So let's mix it. Oh wow, there's loads of different glitters now. This would be perfect for a party or going out. This is really nice. Thank you for watching the Claire's Surprise Birthday Box #1 review. If you like this video, go and check out my other reviews of boxes 2, 3 and 4. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. See you soon. Bye.